It's raining.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
That's why I brought an umbrella.
So we're gonna be here for dinner.
What do you think?
What do you mean?
Italian.
Don't know. What do they have in here? Parang the grass is like really cut. It's clean cut, right? Don't you think? The grass, is this like real grass or
It is real.
a fake one? So it's the only time we can go out, but it's raining. So, and I hope that there's not much people waiting, but I think there are many people waiting here. It's really unfortunate. Where is Louise? So I was saying last night na I think, yeah, some people, they really have to be direct to who they're, or whom they're directing any of their messages, ganyan, kasi sometimes it confuses people. And sometimes also like whenever I say something online, they also react to it even if I'm not really talking to them directly. So that's the reason why I sometimes name people, because I don't want to create any confusion or false hopes or whatever.